look at you. Look at the old one. His name is Base. And this one, and this little goat's name is Holly. Hello, Holly. What a beautiful goat. Hello. There's a fly walking on you right there. Yes, hello. Hello, Holly. Hello, everyone. Hi. You're starting to sound more and more like an actual goat rather than just going, moo. There's a better view of Holly. She's liver and white. Our newest goat here at the ranch. Oh, hello. Hello, would you like to be pet? Oh, look at you. You're just like Raggy. You're just like Raggy. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Hello, goat. Hello, Billy Goat. You're not a Billy Goat, you're a Nubian goat. What's with all the fur that's missing right there? Huh? There's a bunch of fur missing there. You guys like to scratch your backs on everything. Hello. Oh, here's a really good shot. Hello, little goat. Little goat. When I used to come down here when I was little, I'd always call them the goats. Oh, look at this. Look at this. I'm not even holding my phone right now, guys. You get to see the goat. This is some live stream strategies right here. Like, you can just leave it here. You can watch the goaty goats. Here, there's got to be a better. So you have a view of one goat, and you have. Hey, over here, Base. Over here, you based goat. Ah, it has actually a lot of fur missing. That's sad. You have Holly over there to the left. There we go. I wish it wasn't like... Here, hold on a second. If I were to just... I mean, we're getting into some risky territory, but hey, you can see the goats. I'm not even holding my camera right now, my phone. It is so quiet at the ranch today. Might just be because it's a weekday, I don't know. It is just quiet at the ranch. Looks like you can brush them again. Yep, so Nubian goats. Higher names are Holly and Base. Oh yeah, they must have updated it because it used to say Popcorn and Base. We don't know. I don't know what happened to Popcorn, but kind of keep dogs away from the fence. And welcome Holly. Yep, so the new liver and white goat is Holly. There's Base over there. Since there's this big window right here, it's much easier to reach in and kind of just record them through this window. If you guys would like to see how the chickens are doing, I haven't updated you guys in a long time. So there's 4 in this pen, so you might recognize a few girls here. We have in the background over there, that's Milano, Hershey. Now it's only one Hershey twin. There used to be 2 New Hampshire Reds. Now there's just 1 New Hampshire Red. So I guess you can just call her Hershey. There's only 2 Plymouth Rock hens left. I don't know why this camera's doing so poorly on focusing, but they're in here. You just have to get a better view. So yeah, you have the two little clucky hens. Oh, what was that? Oh, did she yawn? Oh, that was super cute. Yeah, so the Oreo is the one who just yawned. Kawaii is no longer here. Again, I haven't updated you guys in a long time, and also I haven't been here in a while, so I'm not sure where my beloved hens have gone. But that's the one with the floppy comb. That one is Oreo, and on the right, that one I believe is Peep. I'm not sure if Hyperion's still here, but I'm pretty sure that's Peep. Peep wasn't all that big. And also, look at how fluffy her booty is. Look at how fluffy that tail is. That's a big puffy chicken. Here, can you see it better now? No, you guys can't. But, you know, a big fuzzy rump. And that's a good sign, actually. That means they're healthy. So when you see a big fluff of feathers, they both have big fluffy rumps. But when they have a lot of feathers, that means they're healthy. The less feathers, the less healthy. If you're wondering, well, what about when they molt every year? Well, I mean, they do that, but that's not because they're unhealthy, and they only lose their feathers for a very small amount of time. Their feathers grow back really fast. If you guys are wondering why I'm not in here, it's because we can't go in here during the quarantine. The chicky quarantine. Hello. Hi. Yeah, so no ranch hands are allowed to work during the coronavirus. So the one you just saw, so that's Toeless. Toeless has been here for a while. I'm surprised she's still around. How did Kauai leave and not Toeless? Then you have Phoenix, so these are both copper-laced Wyandottes. We have Snowball here, so Snowball is, I think she's a white Americana. She might be either white Americana or a salmon favorole. I feel like white Americanas are too white to be her. And that one is Silkia. You remember her, right guys? She's making a little bit of noise right now. They're magnificent little birds. I mean, they're huge birds, sorry. Over there you have another hen. Another hen over there. She's doing her thing. She's just watching the window to make sure the west doesn't intrude on the east. This is the west coop, and then the east coop is this one. There should be, oh, she's the one making the noise. Sorry, Cinnamon is still here. Yeah, that's Cinnamon. And Cinnamon is just a regular Americana hen. So also known as an Easter egger. And if I get over her, she still squats a little bit. Yeah, she still squats a little bit. So that's cool. They didn't lose their squatting instinct while I was gone. When chickens mature, they do this thing called squatting. And well, they whenever you try to pick them up, they squat down so you can pick them up easier. And that's very useful for if you want to just hold them to cuddle, or if you want to just hold them, if you need to hold them, like to check to see if they have lice or something, because birds get all sorts of parasites, especially birds of the ground, which can't fly. Look how fuzzy they are. Yeah, so I can feed them really quickly. I realized that there's spinach growing outside the coop right here, and there's also spinach in the gardens where you guys saw me take spinach out in that video, The Hand That Feeds Ya. That's the title. So that's right here. So let's feed them really quickly. I got my hydro flask right here that I need to put down somewhere. I'll put it down right here. So those people left that were here earlier, so it's a lot quieter again. I want to show you what I did recently. So before this video was rolling, I quickly trained one of the hens to jump up here. Hershey, she might not look at me right away. Oh, Peep looked at me. If that's even you, Peep. Hershey, there's a spinach. There we go. So now it's kind of her job to pick the leaf through. Oh, so she got a big part of the leaf. She seems like she's going to town right now on those pellets. I have a leaf for you, Peep. Oh, here we go. So what I do is up. So she'll jump up here, and then I feed the leaf through the hole, and then she just pecks it. Did you lose that? Stay up there. Stay. So what she'll do is she'll sort of, there we go, and she just sort of pecks and pecks and pecks. She's a very hungry girl. Is that all? I guess that's all. Got a pretty good picture of her wingspan right there. She knows that's my finger. I trained her. Kind of feed this through right here. Oh. Very good, Chicago. I don't know what that word is, but has it on the corner of her mouth. Oh, is it stuck? Hi, Chicky. Hi, Peep. Wow, she's really trying hard to get that unstuck right there. Are you okay? She's too busy trying to finish that leaf. That's really funny. Well, I hope you enjoy that leaf for a while, because it looks like it's there to stay. How I feed the West pen is I just sort of, I pick a leaf, and then I feed it through here, and then I blow on it. And as you can see, Silkia got that. She's kind of, look at the size of that chicken. Look at this chicken. Look at how fluffy her beard is. Anyway, so yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, what's this? Litter. Oh, that's too bad. I thought, you know, there'd be less pollution since, you know, less people are out. Mountain lion. Someone had a jack-in-the-box thing. All right. Guys, there's some equipment over there. Check it out. I always wanted to see one of these up close as a kid. Look at that. It's a big plow. Look at the size of that whole thing right there. Look at these wheels. Look at that. These wheels are, the tread is thick, as you can see. This is the front. Look at that. Look at the lights. Has some lights here. Label, some lights there. Have something up there, like the cockpit, or not the cockpit, the cabin, or whatever. Oh, here's the bulldozer. The tires on this thing are even bigger. If I were to set my hydro flask down here, probably gonna need to back up a little bit like that, and then put my camera here. Just look at me compared to the wheel. It's huge. Look at that. guys, it actually opened. Should I? I don't think it's breaking the law. There's some people over there though. I don't want them thinking that I'm doing something that's breaking the law when really I'm not. There's some ciggies up here. I'm gonna do it. It won't be for very long. I just want, oh look, there's the pedals. The people are still over there. Oh my God. Let me just, is there a cup holder? Nah, there's no cup holder. Got the speedometer, the steering wheel. Guys, look at this. Wow. Like it's kind of hot in here. Here's the radio, the dials. Holy crap. Holy shit. I am inside 12 volt. I am inside of a bulldozer. How cool is that? Oh, there is air conditioning, but here, let's pretend we didn't change anything. Brake, gas, brake. Wait, no. What's this? If this is the gas, I'm used to driving a car, not a freaking bulldozer. So I wouldn't know. There's a window. Open. We want this open though. Look at, what's this? Oh, it's an armrest, guys. This is super hype. I need to take a drink because it is really hot in here. Hopefully this camera won't fall. But it is really hot in here, so I need to take a drink. We did it. I'm not gonna get in the other one. I feel like this is good enough. But yeah, let's get out of here. I think it's one of these buttons, right? Wait. I know it's one of these. Yeah, there we go. I was starting to panic a little bit. Here we have a fire extinguisher, cat. This. All right. Let's put this right there and close. This kind of needs a little bit of force right there. There we go. Well, damn. I got to be in a bulldozer today. I think that's got to be a highlight. It was pretty hot in there, but like those people didn't even notice. They were working on this today. I saw it, but then they left. Piece of metal on the ground. That was awesome. And like I said before, I didn't I touched a few things, but like I didn't change anything, so I don't see how that's illegal. I think it would also be illegal if you were to drive it, but I didn't drive it. I didn't do anything, as you guys saw in the video. I just sat in it for a while. I don't see how that's breaking the law. But that was cool. Yeah, the camera's still rolling. Yeah, that was awesome. That was pretty dang cool. Look at all the people over there. Alright, well that'll do it for today's video. Stay awesome, Rifters. Peace out.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change.